Thanks for that present. I really appreciated it. And here we are. I got just a little bit of leaves to pick up before they get blown and pushed to you know where. I guess the first video doesn't do the quick snap on the second shot. It is what it is, man. The camera does just fine. Now I've been watching a video, my colleague, my friend, my online friend, and he needs to talk a little louder, my friend, just a little louder so we can hear you. I did a video last night. I finished it. I completed it. Put it on YouTube. It had to be MPEG-4 format. It said it'd be done in 2.5 hours. My Lenovo just basically, it's screen down, goes blank, and that's the end of it. Everything shuts down. I wake it up. I said, something's not right. I reload it up. Oh, it'd take 54 minutes. It took forever. It's probably still lingering and holding off. I'm trying manual out. 100, 3200 on the ISO, and the shutter speed 1/50th. And my EV value I can't set. It just drops right down to the negative 2 point something. So DJI, we need full manual control. I want to adjust all my settings. If you're going to automatically do it for me, then tell me exactly what's happening. Now I adjusted everything, my EV value up to where it's supposed to be, but I don't have any control again over a shutter. It's either one or another. At least the ISO is up to 3200. With the GoPro, you're able to adjust your minimum and your maximum to what you want. It's not one or the other. I'm back on automatic. Now I have my EV value on 0. I had to maximize my ISO from 100 through 12,000. And there is no automatic if you have to touch the ISO. You want the ISO to be auto, not just on the maximum. And that to me is quite confusing. And now I'm not sure what I got my camera set to. And the only way I could find out is to factory reset and see how this camera works. Heck, I only talk about what I see is happening, and I share it. Now, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. If I'm right, I'm right. But that's how the Action 3 works. Remember the days of coming for seafood? And you'll be seated by waiters in white jackets, and you get all the different types of seafood. Those days are over. But the place is still owned by the main people. And that's the way it is. Well, I'm heading on out. I'm going to go where I need to go. And it's a windy, windy day. Let's get where we need to be at. Oh yeah, I look nice and bright to the screen. But when I get home, I'm going to be nice and, grainy. And that's not what you want from any camera. You want that grain to be gone. That's what this story was kind of a little about. I went yesterday for bagels. And man, the line was inside, all the way around, and just about out the door. About riding a bicycle in wet weather, fall to winter time, when all these leaves are on the floor. Slippery, baby. And it's Cement City, no less. Yeah, I'm loud. I talk loud. So I could get to the camera. Look, I'm not going to mention this later on, but I'm going to do this now, just for all my subbies. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Oh, wait a second. Let me wish you a happy Thanksgiving before Christmas comes about. Hey, get your Action 3 before it's too late, man. You're gonna be sorry when it's all gone and nothing's on the shelves and everybody's got a nice stocking stuffer. Yes, indeed. I hope you all have a great holiday down the road. Oh yeah, Christmas time is the best time. Oh yeah. This is the best time right now. Don't you hear it? Peace and quiet. Woo. Ah, finally. Oh no, what do? You go over the pile. But be careful, people put nails and junk in those leaf piles. And man, you go there, you try to hit it, you'll be on the side of the road in that tree or that car. Well, by now you know who I am. I am the how-to guy. I've been the how-to guy for the longest period of time, and that's what my channel is all about. So I got a lot of how-tos on there, and if you don't like how-tos, what more can I say? Peace, baby! And I see you on many other videos to come. I'm out of here.